Your iCloud is being hacked is an error message associated with potentially unwanted programs that exhibit both adware and browser hijacker capabilities while targeting Mac computers. Why are adware and browser hijackers, like the ones associated with the "your iCloud is being hacked" error message, potentially harmful? What security risks do they pose to Mac computers, and how do they spread? And how can you remove them from your computer? The dangers associated with adware, browser hijackers, and potentially unwanted programs. Intrusive advertisements. Adware may bombard users with intrusive and unwanted advertisements, making it increasingly frustrated to browse the internet and thus disrupting the user experience. Privacy concerns. Adware often tracks users' online activities and collects personally non-identifiable information such as browsing habits and other data, which can then be sold to third-party advertisers. Browser hijacking. Browser hijackers modify browser settings by replacing the default search engine or homepage with unreliable alternatives. This leads to unwanted redirects, exposing users to potentially harmful websites. Redirects to fake warnings. The "your iCloud is being hacked" error message associated with these unwanted programs is a scare tactic used to deceive users into taking actions that may compromise their security, like clicking on malicious links or downloading fake security software. Increased vulnerability. Adware and browser hijackers may inadvertently expose users to harmful and unreliable content. How do adware, browser hijackers, and pups spread? Bundled with freeware. Adware, browser hijackers, and potentially unwanted programs or pups often come bundled with free software downloaded from the internet. Users may unknowingly install these unwanted programs while installing other applications. Unreliable websites. Visiting unreliable websites that host harmful content or clicking on suspicious links can trigger drive-by downloads. Fake software updates. Users may encounter fake pop-up notifications claiming that their software, like a Flash player, needs an update. Clicking on such prompts can lead to the installation of unwanted programs. How do I remove adware, browser hijackers, and pups? Uninstall suspicious applications. Go to the Applications folder and look for any unfamiliar or suspicious applications. Drag and drop them into the trash bin to uninstall. Check browser extensions. Open each web browser, Safari, Chrome, Firefox, etc., and check for suspicious extensions. Remove any unfamiliar or unwanted extensions from the browser settings. Reset browsers. If the browser settings have been modified, reset the affected browsers to their default settings. This action will remove unwanted search engines, homepage settings, and extensions. It will also delete your personal customizations, so save them before initiating the reset. Use anti-malware software. Install reputable anti-malware software. Run a full system scan to detect and remove any remaining adware or browser hijackers. Update software. Keep your operating system, web browsers, and security software up to date to ensure you have the latest protection against known vulnerabilities. Practice safe browsing. Be cautious when downloading software from the internet. Only download from trusted sources and avoid clicking on suspicious links or pop-up ads. To protect your computer from adware, browser hijackers, and pups associated with the "your iCloud is being hacked" error, practice safe web browsing habits. Use reputable anti-malware software and promptly remove any suspicious applications or extensions from your system. By staying vigilant and taking proactive measures, you can safeguard your Mac from these unwanted and potentially harmful programs. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the SpyHunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. SpyHunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download SpyHunter today. Thanks for watching.